Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and welcome. Welcome to episode 1 of our complete Reivt course. We will take you from beginner to professional. Whether you are an architect, engineer, or a student, this series is made just for you. My name is Muhammad Mansour Kulaid, and in this series, we will explore everything about Autodesk Reivt, the industry standard software for building information modeling, also known as BIM. By the end of this course, you will be able to model complete buildings, create detailed drawings, and produce construction-ready documents. So, what is Revit? Revit is a BIM software developed by Autodesk. Unlike CAD programs, Revit is model-based. You create a 3D model that also contains all your plans, sections, elevations, and schedules. That means one change reflects everywhere. A huge advantage in real projects. What you will learn in this course: project setup and template, modeling, walls, floors, roofs, stairs, etc. Working with families, views, plans, sections, elevations, 3D, annotations and dimensions, sheets and documentation, rendering and visualization, advanced tool, phasing, work sharing, schedules, Dynamo. Real world workflow tips. So what does it mean by BIM? BIM stands for Building Information Modeling. It's more than just 3D, it's smart data embedded in every element. Revit helps teams collaborate better, avoid mistakes, and build faster and smarter. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's open Revit. Double click on the Revit icon. So when you start Revit for the first time, you will be greeted with this screen. Your recent file will be displayed over here. To start a new project, click on New. This will open the new project window. Here you can choose a template file to start with. By default, Revit offers a few templates. You can either click this arrow to select one from the list or click Browse to navigate and choose one manually. In my case, I'm using the default metric template, which is located in English folder, not the Imperial one. This template is perfect for architectural work, and it uses meters as the unit, which we will be using throughout this course. Once you have selected, click OK. After selecting the template, click Open. Now here in Create New, you can see two options, which one to choose, Project or Project Template. Since we want to start working on a real project, we will choose Project. A project template is only used when you want to create your own custom starting setup to reuse in future projects, like custom title blocks, view templates, or company standards. But for now, we are starting fresh, so go ahead and select Project and click OK. So here it is. This is the Revit user interface. Now that we have created our project, let's take a quick tour of Revit user interface. Understanding the interface will help you work faster and more confident. Ribbon. At the top we have the ribbon. This is where all the tools are grouped into tabs like architecture, structure, insert, annotate, manage, and more. Each tab contains related tools. For example, under the architecture tab, you will find walls, doors, windows, components, columns, and so on. Quick Access Toolbar. Above the ribbon, there is a Quick Access Toolbar. This has shortcut buttons like Save, Undo, Redo, and you can customize it by adding your favorite tools. And this area called the Drawing Area. The large area in the middle is the Drawing Area. This is where you will do all your modeling and drawing work. As you work, views like floor plans, 3D views, and elevations will open as a tabs across the top of this space. On the left side, below the Properties, this lists all the views, sheets, families, and groups in your project. For example, you can double-click on Level 1 under Floor Plans to open that view, like Level 1, Level 2, and so on. Above the project browser, we have our Properties palette. When you select any element, this panel shows properties like the height, material, level, and more. You can also modify settings from here when placing new element. View control bar and navigation bar. At the bottom of the drawing area, there is the view control bar. This helps you control how your view looks. For example, you can change the detail level, visual style, or hide element. And on the right edge, there is a navigation bar with tools like zoom, pan, orbit, and the view cube to rotate your 3D view. So that was a quick overview of the Revit interface. Don't worry if it feels like a lot. You will get comfortable with it as we work through the course step by step. Before ending this video, let's place a wall so that you have an idea how to draw a wall. From architecture, select wall. As you can see here in properties, we have a basic wall generic 200 mm. So let's draw our first wall. Just left click here in the drawing area and then move the cursor. So let's say tell here left click. Automatically a new line command will start or wall command will start. Then just move the cursor and left click. Similarly, here we have a snapping tool which will help us a lot. Then let's finish it here. So now to end command, press escape. So by this we have drawn our wall. To see it in 3D, just click on this icon. Here it is, this is our wall. Now it's white, it's not shaded. From the visual style, click here and click on shaded. So this is our wall. And just like that, you have placed your first walls in Reivt. In the next episode, inshallah, we will start creating our first building step by step, walls, labels and grids, also units. Make sure to subscribe, like and follow along. This course will change the way you work.